Why you about to cry?
No.
Baby, tell me what you have to tell me.
I'm not about to cry.
You what?
I'm not about to cry.
You look like it. So please tell me what's going on with you.
One day.
No, okay.
When David put the juice in my
mouth. Come on. It's okay, baby.
They always tell our women wey fit get pikin, especially single mother. If you want friend man, abeg make you dey look am well o before you friend o, especially when you fit get pikin son dem come dey jogodo your pikin. If na boy, they go dey jogodo am from back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video when I want just show na so na recording, although na America na this one dey happen. So this woman, so my darling people, mona listening from the starting to the ending. Mona see help me share the video, because wetin come dey happen for this world we not understand again, my darling people. This video, so mona share am abeg, because single mothers, they need to really see this video. Single parents, them like single mother, abeg, before you follow man. Now beg, I just come here, come beg una, mona check the pic, mona check the man well o. Although I know say some men they pretend, I know say some men they pretend well before you even know who them be, it don late, my darling people. This girl, she dey follow this guy, she dey friend this guy, and she get pikin before America. This one for the happen. So no he say ever since e pikin dey try to tell am something, she no dey wan lis ten. You see, our parents, we parents, now I wan just still advise. So if your pikin wan tell you something, make you make sure say you dey put ear, make sure say you dey lis ten to wetin e wan tell you. Not be say if you don't set you before you come, they say I die no. Oh, I for lis ten no, because we women, we dey always they do this thing. I beg you to talk. Leave me. Your pikin go say, mommy, I want to tell you something. No. I dey busy. No, I beg, lis ten to wetin your pikin wan tell you. This woman, so e pikin they try to tell am things since she no dey lis ten. So now she come finally say, wetin dey happen, because she don dey friend one man now, one guy. The guy cute well. So she not go even believe say that kind guy go even do that kind thing to a pikin. So now a pikin come dey try make him tell am say, this your boyfriend, so see wetin he dey do to me ever since. So now he say, waiting, and this pikin na boy, no be girl. This man, they jogodo this small pikin from back ever since, without him mama no know wetin dey happen. Although na American English na they speak, so may you listen well. So now make her dey interpret am for some people wey no go understand the English. My darling people, wetin come dey happen for this world? Your girlfriend pikin again, now you can still go the jogodo from back. Hey. So now the woman can't record the pikin as the pikin they tell am. Although the pikin they fear, because the man don't threaten her. Say if you talk and come out, him go deal with you. Because of that one, now the pikin can they fear to want to talk and come out. Why it be say some people be like this? Why some guys be like this? Okay, the mama no can reach you now. Now the pikin, small pikin, now you want to still go the jogodo with from back. Wetin you want to enjoy now for that small pikin body, you want just destroy that small pikin life. That is why I always tell our women then, before you follow man, especially when you first get pikin. No, they carry different boys come house. And if you want see friend, make sure say you look am well, oh, because these days wetin come dey happen, e no good for ear at all, e no good for eye. That is why I dey always dey want tell our women then, abeg, single mother not make you be mumu. Say you not know wetin you dey do. No, you know exactly wetin you dey do. Try, because of your pikin, try make you wash well before you enter another relationship. You understand? Because this thing so it still happen for UK. This woman married this man after he already born for this man now. So him own daughter when he first get before, the daughter don still dey go 10 years. So anytime when him mama comot for house, this man go dey ask the pikin say, make I look your breast, make I look your makeups, whether you never start, man never start to dey touch you. So the pikin go dey say, So the pikin go dey surprise, say, why this man dey tell am this kind thing? So if mama wan comot for house, this one na true life story, oh. If him mama wan comot for house, he go tell him mama say, no, I wan follow you go out. Him mama go say, no, abeg stay house with your papa, stay house. You understand? That is his stepfather. So every time the pikin go dey tell him mama like that, say, I wan follow you. Him mama go say, no, he no go gree. He go tell him mama, I wan tell you something. Mama no dey lis ten. Him mama no dey lis ten. And we women, we dey do am. Even me, I dey do am before. Before I can't stop am now. You understand? So, if your pikin wan tell you something, lis ten to wetin he wan tell you. This girl now, because him mama no gree lis ten, she have to go to school and say it. She gonna go talk am for school. Then they come invite him mama. See wetin your pikin talk. Him mama shocked her lies. And they just born pikin wey be 3 months for the boy. Then him mama say, and so they take go the house, carry the man with police. So then they come tell the woman, say, what do you want me we do to this man? May we deport him or may we leave him? And the woman say, when I say they ask me, so Niger direct, when they deport him, you know they have to stay Europe here. He regrets why he even born for him. Why you go? The thank God say he never start to the jogo do the pikin, because they just first go control the pikin first. He never start to the jogo do the pikin. Now be the God will save the pikin, will save the woman. Now only just to the touch. Now they see matter. So single mother, before you friend man, I beg. I use God need to beg you. Try, may you look that man wella before you date him. So they pretend though, but pray, may God give you a God-fearing man. A man with those kind thoughts, because that is why I decided to tell women too. If your pikin you get baby girl before you can get another man, or even though say na a papa, no let am dey bath your baby girl, especially when the dog pass 3 years. No gree again, I beg, because men when we see, so there be ego. Some of them there be egos. If that hush don't enter the like this, they don't feel bear am again. They not go know whether na small pikin. As far as they see makeups for them, that bad spirit fit just enter them before you know what it before you know what they do. It already do am. You understand? So I beg, not let your the papa they bath the baby girl. It no good. It no good. For me, I not like am, but I don't know about you. Anyway, one person know the grow finish. So if una think say wetin I talk, it makes sense or it not still makes sense for you, still leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
So does it hurt now still?
No.
Why didn't you tell me, baby?
Because when I was little, he didn't do that to me. But when I got bigger, he did it. when he was coming over at their house.
I know he did it one time though, right?
Yes.